I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to CTA's Daily Review. Today's August 30, Wednesday, 2023. So we had this expected bullish movement here. We had the price go right to our target. Said this yesterday. Make sure you watch yesterday's video so this makes sense. Right to the head, right? And then sold off from there, and then played around, and did not give us a great move on the third buy or the third trade because of S&P and NAS. They performed the way I wanted it to, but you'll see in a second here. So pretty much we opened up here and then we retraced back into that imbalance of that 4 hour right there, found some support, and then used that down block as fuel to go up. And let's go into a smaller time frame. As you can see on the week though, we did seal that, right? Beautiful imbalance on the week, right to the head. That's what you're hitting. That's what the historical data shows. Beautiful hit here. Could it have went higher into this gap? There's a gap here. You can't probably see it. Let me try to put a line here, because this might be a target tomorrow, but I'm not counting on it. I'm not holding my breath there. Right there. So we're just going to put it right there. So we'll just put it, it's the same as that high right here on this candle here. So, and thought that it might go up there, but it didn't have to. This was a great place for it to sell as a nice resistance, but I'll get into the rest of the day in a second. So take a look here. As far as opening up here, right here, we dance, we go underneath it. This is the fake move. This is the wick of the actual day, and I show you this all the time. If it's a buying day, we get the manipulation here. We get the beautiful higher lows letting you get in at any time here. 3:30, 5 something, 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9:30, and so on. Boom, right to the target there. And you could see price. I was already in it before 9:30. Actually, this is 9:30 right here. And then bouncing off of that open again. Beautiful. And after reaching that target there, nice, beautiful sell right there. This was quick. You needed to be super quick and laser focused, but taking this trade. Now, if it did not want to go back up again, if it was going to go back up again, I do want a retracement of this range, because this range, I could call it from here. Technically, it's going to be hard to see. I'm going to move that over just so you can see it. And I'm measuring this here to here to here. So this is 50%, but it's blowing through. Big, strong candles. If you have your time frames all open, you can see the 5 minute, 1 minute, all very strong bullish bearish candles. So holding momentum. What we had this day actually not too long ago, where we this day right here, see this was Thursday, August 24, right here. See how we held that kind of as support there where it was, and then it shot up and then sank down. Very similar, but I didn't expect that to be the case today. I know that we had a lot of time, because we're supposed to now, I said it yesterday, so watch yesterday's video, and that's why I put all the trades and screenshots, so you know that I'm for all the skeptics and all that. That's why I did it. I'm not going to keep doing it. I do it when I want to, but I really don't want to do it, because I'll miss a trade like this trying to screenshot some shit right here, because this is happening really fast. This is moving really fast. I got lower time frames, so I showed you all 3 trades yesterday just so you can really understand I'm not fucking around, right? But and I told you this level specifically we're hitting. So, you know, if you're not being successful, then it's you. You got to understand, like, you're not taking these trades. You are impulsive. Your analysis is not on. And if someone is telling you what to do and you still didn't do it, then you really have to look at yourself and see all these issues that you're missing. So hope that makes sense, right? And I wasn't relying on this range like to stop at 50 and buy or anything, but the logic is a little bit of training wheels, but to keep my head focused, right, to where it's going, where it should go. I'm gonna delete this because this wasn't something I needed, but it was an idea, because the range really is from here. Because if I'm identifying ranges, I've been identifying ranges all since, you know, a month or two ago or whatever. But if you see this, we used this range yesterday and we bought, right? And then take a look from here. Do you see 50% fair delivery? Nope. So you got to keep dragging it. Do you see it? Do you see it? No, you don't see it, right? You don't see it. All right. Now, the price comes. Now you have this range, right? And I'm taking this buy to that resistance that the level I showed you. So if this is you take the profit, you fuck trying to get higher or whatever the case is, your objective is met for today. Tomorrow we're supposed to have a bearish day. We're supposed to close here. Okay, so if that's the case, and I'm following historical data, all right, price gets here, you take a sell. Where are you taking this sell? Well, for me, I'm going to take it back to the 930. All right, because the 930 is going to be very key, right? If it keeps blowing, obviously it could have kept going, right? But listen, if I cut this trade, I'm happy. That's a beautiful big trade. Taking this sell is the same exact thing. I don't need to be right. So yes, it blows through. Okay, I take the profit. I'm good. I've took both trades. I'm already, I'm not even going to count the points right now, but you get what I'm saying. So right when the price, take the profit, price breaks down. So this is a buy and a sell, and I looked for a buy. That was my 3 trades today. Buy, sell, buy. Generally in a bullish day. Buy, sell, buy. And it didn't even, and it could have kept going. We could have still won that buy, sell, buy. The 4th trade would have been a sell, right? But look how they did it. Very sneaky. After taking the sell, taking the profit, let the price come down. Look where it comes. All right, because now the range, now this, my fib is there. I've identified a range, how this leg looks like. Finale, look at this. See how it starts here, comes up, respects, finale, finishes. All right, now I'm looking for the retrace, right? Or I'm looking for a leg down, right? However deep it goes. And you know, ultimately, I told you we want to be closing here tomorrow. We want the price to be done after the news and be closing around here. So I'm looking for, this was a bullish day, and then tomorrow is going to be the bearish day. And I said that in the video, so I watched it yesterday, so it makes sense. But, okay, so you got this. Where am I taking this sell? Generally, I'll take it to the 50 here because I have liquidity sitting here. And this is a balanced range. Look where the fucking thing came to, dude. I mean, I can't make this shit up, bro. I mean, you know, look at this. Come on, man. A point maybe? Not even. So, when this gets here, I'm looking for a buy. Yes, had it blown through, I would have seen it more coming down. Let me go to a 1 minute because you won't be able to see this. Actually, I need to go on smaller time frame so you can see the buy, but you could basically, I'll keep it on a 1 minute. Basically, right when this was 8 o'clock, so another 8 o'clock buy instead of a sell was a buy, but no pattern there. But you know, if you had balls, you could have caught that, and you didn't need that much balls. I mean, it's staying in this down block. I'm not even showing it to you on purpose. You see that? Staying in these down candles here, even that last wick on this down candle. Look at how we look how it's the same level there. All right, go do the back testing. All right, I put in work, man. So you know that's how I can see this. But look here, get another opportunity. All right, so this price came down, equal same low. Price shoots up, and then, well, first comes in from here, right? All right, and then pops up again, retraces down, doesn't break that low. So You're getting these higher lows. Yes, that looks crazy, but you have to, this is happening every day. You're looking for a buy anyway, right? So you're getting it. Here's another opportunity at 8 o'clock. Price comes down in here, doesn't go below these blocks. Okay, fine. You missed that. Price comes up, comes back in. Yeah, it hits that block right there. That's cool. But then you get 830. 830 shoots it down. I'm waiting for 830 because 830 it could have been exaggerated and took out liquidity. It's better to wait till 830. Even though I was like, oh, at 8 o'clock I was kind of ready and did see this, but no thanks. So anyways, price shoots down at 830, comes in, taps, doesn't tap that, taps this block right here, and then shoots up. Now it shoots up, you expect this low to be protected. So it comes down, retraces. Now I have this down candle with this wick. Fuck this wick though. See this down candle right here? Look at the bodies respecting, and now the time is 8:48, 8:49. Boom, I'm already in early. So that's enough flow for me. And it's sitting on the open. I mean, doesn't get better than that. I just push the button immediately. Stop loss is going to be generally underneath this candle here, and a little bit higher, because if it's really coming this low, I don't want to be in this trade. It's not panning out. It's going to probably break again and then come back up, right? So anyways, in the trade, beautiful, comes back up. Now 930. Look, I'm not worried about 930. I'm already in. If I wasn't in this trade early and I waited till 930, you can see this down candle here. This is 929. Did I say 830? I meant 930. Then this price shoots down one more time, takes that liquidity, and stays in these two blocks right here. See this? 1, 2. See that? Boom. You can be an automatic buyer. Look at the bodies respecting here. See that? Respecting that. Shoots it. Boom. You could push that buy button as long as it that. So I'm gonna move this just for you. So you're. This would have been kind of like that would have been kind of like the stop loss here, because I don't want it to go below 50% of this for sure. And I don't even want it, I really don't want it to go below the the close of this candle. So let's just say right there, right? See that? But I mean, you know, you have this last down candle, right? And then you have a little gap. So I would have been weary there. So I'm definitely putting it like right here. If it's going below this block right there, right here, don't want to be in this trade. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, shoot right to it. Sell here. Man, I go on a smaller time frame. I got to make this video short. All right, so here, price is coming up, playing around here. You do get these bullish candles here. I'm sorry, bullish. You get this bearish candle here that close below right here, and you've already had a couple drives. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5th one. All right, it's playing around. It's not staying. It's not moving faster. This structure to me is not safe. And sure enough, you'll get this second bearish candle. If you didn't get in from here, I'm pushing that button as soon as it breaks these two candles. If it decides to pop back up, oh well, my stop loss is still right there, right? So this is more of a momentum experience, focused, you're on it. You waited for some manipulation to go up. See, the price hits here first, the level. All right, then we go up it one more time. All right, then we go up it a third time. So you would have said, okay, I'm taking this trade here. That would have been a great trade. I didn't take this trade. I took this one here. See this one here coming down? This is me being thirsty. I take a loss here. Why am I okay with taking the loss here? Because I know what we're going for. We're going for a nice chunk of points retracing. So I'm going to be in it. I build it in my model. My model is I want to take 1 to 2 losses, and I'm still going to take that third trade. All right. If I lose that third trade, I'm probably right at all, or I'm not going to take that trade. But 1 to 2 trades, I'm definitely taking. I don't care if I lose it, because I know what it's trying to do. It's just trying to look at how many times have you seen this break away from you like I fucking missed it, right? So this is how I build it in my structure of flowing. So 1, 2, 3. If you took a trade here and you lost it, no problem. That's loss 1. If you took the sell from here and you lost it, lost trade, okay, that's number 2. Look at the third one. Beautiful, right? But at least you're not starting it here, right? Or even there. You wait for a couple digs up. This is what they're doing. You get, I mean, if you're watching price, you're seeing this all the time, right? So anyways, that's the sell. And then the buy, look at how they did this. I was hoping that we would turn into S&P and NAS. I would have really had a phenomenal day if they did that. I could only hold it to 50%. So I'm taking this buy. It's a 30-second. Oh, fuck, I'll keep it on a 30-second. Actually, it was much lower, though. Let me show you a 10-second. Right here. Watch this. All right, down candle. We get the finale. Boom, we came all the way down. We took out 9:30 and we took out 8 o'clock right there. Beautiful. Took out 8 o'clock, stayed in above 5 o'clock. See that? Very common that they'll just look for that liquidity, leave that there, confuse you. I'm already looking for a buy, okay? And we're at the 50%. We hit that 50% of that range that we identified. See, the whole time you didn't know where the range was, but you got to keep moving that. You got to keep moving that fib up. But our intention is to buy all the way up to that level anyway. So you're already coming in the day looking for a buy, sell, and a buy. Okay, look how the buy went. After it hits this level, I don't have balls enough to hit it right there. Okay, so that's fine. Finale there. Nice precision though. You're looking for precision too. All right. Then you get this up candle here. You get this retracement of these 2 candles. All right. Then the price goes above that candle, retraces, and comes back down. Where does it come back down into? Taps right into that last bottom block, and it touches the open. That's a beautiful buy right there. I'm already triggered in right there, and it has a nice imbalance all in this candle. So like that's a model in itself, but this is a language I'm familiar with, and you're gonna be getting, you must be getting really good at this point, because you know when the price is at places, you should be able to feel and know that, okay, this is what it can do, or where it's going to go. We're already aiming for that. And when you're here, you're like, something in your gut tells you, you know, this is going to fucking sell, or this is going to reverse. Okay, and when you came down here, were you not thinking about buying right here? You might have been scared and said, oh, it's going to blow right through and take that liquidity. No, that's okay. You got other confluences, but people just sold from here. But if we're going to keep coming down, don't they want to come up and wipe out some liquidity here, right? So if you're not thinking buy right here immediately, then you're not in tune, in my opinion. And that's just my opinion. I could be wrong. It might not be your model or whatever you're developing, but same time, man, I mean, you know, you got to look for a buy here. Look, buy, sell. You know you're going to get 3-4 moves in a day. You know you get at least, I'm going to say it this way, you are guaranteed 2 moves in a day. Every day for the rest of your life. You're guaranteed 2 fucking moves. Guaranteed. Okay, a third one is damn near almost guaranteed as well. That's why I take the third one, because I know it's going to pop and retrace, or whatever the case is. It's going to move a third time. You will find other days that are volatile. You'll get 4, 5, 6 moves. Even 7. Okay? From experience, I know this fucking market. All right? So this is how I'm able to do this, because I am flowing that way. If I know, and I've back tested 1,000,000 times, forward tested 1,000,000 times, if I know that these 3 moves are happening every day, well, then this is why I have it set up this way. And in each trade, I'm allowed 2 losses, generally speaking. All right. Obviously, I want to make it 1, and and matter of fact, I don't want to have a loss at all. Obviously, right? But I hope this is helping, because it's got to. I mean, you know. Anyways, pops right into there, holds. We are also at the open again, and look at these bitches. So they come up. They were playing games, and I'm not playing fucking games with them either, right? So you feel me on that. So price comes right to that 50%. All right, tags right here. I hold. I'm like, you know, we're coming deeper for sure. And if you take a look at, S&P and NAS, look, they kept going up. They broke their high. So my intention was to buy this to either break this or come to a deeper. That is my, or you know, at the least 50. But there was too much range, and I'm watching dollar fall. Where is dollar here? Dollar's falling, right? And then what do you call it? It plays around here. And man, let me tell you something. Sitting through this sucked. I couldn't wait any longer. I was like, man, we're going to be the ones that bring down the market because we are weaker. So look at Dow here. We're weaker. We stayed inside this imbalance right here. It didn't go above it. It didn't look at this. So I was like looking at this like, okay, this is the lower high. This is a divergence here. Then that means we're the weaker one. We're bringing the market down, possibly, right? So, and you get the highs taken out here, and obviously Nas took out there. So this was weak. Look what they did, man. Look at how they did this shit. I'm not stupid. So they were playing around here, and the price dipped down and came back up. I was done. I took the trade out. I was like, you know what? I'm fucking good. Have a nice day. You don't want to give us the treat like Nas and ES, then go fuck yourself. I'm good. They're not going to be making me sitting here trying to trade all this, even though I can, even though when we were up here, I know this is a possible sell, right? Because obviously we're stuck here. What did they do? Look what they did. Thank God I took the profit. I mean, I would have still been in the trade, and look what they did at the end of the fucking day. 405. Look at this shit. 405 right here. Shoot this shit all the way up. Oh, now you want to do it? Now we're like S&P and Nas. This was a setup, man. So I'm not trying to be involved here. I don't care what the rest of this day does. It could go to the moon or sink to hell. But what I do know is that tomorrow I'm going to have these same 3 type of trades. Now, if it's going to be bearish, I'm going to be most likely looking for a sell, buy, sell. All right. I'm doing a buy, sell, buy here. Get it? So that's how I flow. This is the way I work, and it works well. So yeah, man. And then and I saw this as a buy too. I was like, look at these marks. I was doing something else, but I was like, man, they brought it all the way down, and then they bought it, and then we're gonna buy it again. Sure enough, look at this from here to here. All right, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Look where it ends up. This is exactly where I had as a minimum target, but it was a smart decision that I took it out here, because I could have been a bozo and said, no, I'm not gonna take it out. Right? And then it could have came right back on me. Man, I'm not leaving money on the table. I've already raped them for these 2 trades. 1/3 one, I'm good, bro. The amount of points this is, if you stretch it out, you understand it's all the way up there. All right? And this is happening. I do this every day, damn near every day. So if you add all the points, it's already blasted off the chart, right? While someone is still, I mean, I'm nothing against swing trading. I would rather be a swing trader, obviously, but I'm a day trader, and this is the way it is right now. But I like to sell here, next position, sell here, sell here, sell here, sell here. All right. Would I like to have had that many positions and hold it all the way down? Of course I would. But I guess I'm just not ready to do that. I'm having fun doing day trading. I mean, I see the flow. I'm impulsive, so it works for me. I know myself as well. But anyways, yeah, man. So that's how they did us. And it was a smart decision. So it's all about making decisions here, and making the decision to take out the money here and sell it. That's a decision itself. We had the same day yesterday, not same day, but we had the same. I can't go back here. We had the same idea yesterday. I mean, where is it? Right here. And go watch yesterday's video. I'll show you all the trades, the exact levels. They're the exact same levels as the same ideas and risk management and take profit areas, just like I did today is yesterday. So I don't need to be proving nothing to nobody, bro. I'm not here for fun. This is something that I want to do on YouTube. I'm doing it for free. I'm not asking you for no fucking money. You don't need to go to the course. Yeah, I had the course, but who cares about the course? I really don't care about the course. I knew I wasn't gonna make money. You think I'm gonna make more money in the course than I'm gonna doing this? I'd rather do this. And on the flip side, I give you free game. It's value, and whatever comes from it, I don't care. I'm enjoying myself. So, anyways, yeah, man. Other than that, yeah, and there's a lot that I could say right now, but and I'm not irate. I'm really good. I just, sometimes I have to make things the way it is and say the way it is, and I'm sure you understand. I don't need to do this for you at all either. So keep that in mind. But look at that look at that game right there. Sick on the 50. ended up here. So tomorrow, I'm expecting either we're going to pop. So Asia, London, the sell might actually happen in Asia or in London, and then bring that bitch down. And then we might come down and then retrace back up. So here, let me just do it this way so I could be done here. So Asia, London can bring it up one more time. Maybe up to there. I doubt it. If it doesn't, then just above that. Whoops. I gotta do this again. So is it possible that we just go like right there and then we end up doing this, and then now it's 9:30 here or 8 o'clock or whatever, and then that's the sell, right? And then our goal is to close here, period. There's nothing else I'm going to tell you. There's no other options here that I have, unless this one wants to kind of like go up more, like to right there. I don't know, but this is what I'm looking for tomorrow, and we'll see how it opens. But we're looking for a bearish day. So let's just say this day is now closed, right? So let's just say the next day opens up, comes up, and then it retraces. Now it's a big wick, and now it's a bearish body right here, and it looks like a pin bar or whatever, but it's bearish or something. Not really pin bar, but I expect a full body close down here. So wick above here, big bearish candle there. You get what I'm saying? So I hope this helps. Yeah, till tomorrow, and it's the end of the month, man. Like give it up. Like we don't need more. This was a phenomenal month. Actually, I thought this month was going to be like worse. Or maybe I'm just getting better and it's getting easier for me. I don't know, but this is definitely a difficult month, and it came out nicely. Yeah, man. So look out for this right here. And if we don't even make it above there, then this is my other option. We don't even make it above it. We literally just sell from where we are now. All right. You guys take care and God bless.